So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab. So first of all, click on start lab and open the cloud console incognito window. Now if it asks for username and password, always check the lab instruction for that. Now here click on I understand like this. From the navigation menu, what you need to do, you need to open the Vertex AI workbench. So click on this and from here click on the workbench. Let me show you. To click on like this, and if you are unable to find, you can use your search box and type the workbench and open the Vertex AI one, because they are a multiple workbench also. So wait for this page to fully load. So here basically first of all you have to click on enable the notebook API. So enable the notebook API, then we will create the Vertex AI instance. So once it is enabled, you will see a pop-up. Yes, finally the notebook is now enabled. Now make sure you are in the instance section. Click on the instance section. Now we have to click on create new. Now for the name, you need to come to the task number 1, and from here copy the name, that is lab workbench, paste over here. Now region is different and zone is different for all, so always check the region from the lab instruction. And you can see here we have C, so always check the alphabetical order as per the lab instruction. You can select it like this. Now click on create. It will take 2 to 5 minutes, so wait for it. Click on refresh, and once the workbench is ready, you can see you'll get an option of open the Jupyter Lab. So you have to just open it. Now many times what happens, you may get unnecessary error, like it may show error, it's not opening. Come back here and open the Jupyter Lab again, and if files are missing, you have to click on select and reset it. You have to reset only when the files are missing on the Jupyter Lab. That issue maybe you have seen in previously if you have participated in other events also where we have to use the Jupyter Lab. So wait for the Jupyter Lab to open. It may take some time. Now here basically first of all we have to copy the repository to the Vertex AI notebook. So for that click on this Python 3. Okay. Now in the description box of this video I've shared one GitHub repository. We'll be using that only. So first of all copy the first one, paste over here and click on this play button. Now it will take some time. After that what we have to do, we have to just navigate to another file and check the score. First of all check the score. You may not get the score for task number 2 because it's still initiating, so wait for it. Finally all files have been downloaded. Now we have to do one thing, we have to open the file. So for that what you need to do, you need to just follow the way I'm doing. Meanwhile, in case you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it and like the video. On this training data analyst, from here click on the courses. Now again scroll down and find machine learning. You can see here, yes, it's here. Click on it. Now what you have to do, you have to click on deep dive 2. Now you have to click on art and science, and from here just click on the labs. So once you have click on the neural network file. So basically we have to update the file. So first of all select TensorFlow 211 as kernel. Now open the launcher, click on terminal. Now wait for the terminal to fully load. Now in the description box of this video we will use the repository again. So first of all wait for the terminal to get ready. Now here you have to run this second command. Okay, and hit enter. Paste and hit enter. Now it will take 1 to 2 minutes for the file to get updated, so just wait till it gets updated. You can open the file also. So here it is currently not updated, so what you need to do, you can close the file and reopen it like this. So close it, come back again, open it. Now what you have to do, you have to just run all the shells. Okay, so all tasks have been updated. Now what you have to do, you have to just do one thing. Select any cell, that is basically the first cell. Click on run, selected cells and all below. Just click over it. Now it will take some time, and once it's done, we are done with the lab. So basically it may take 4 to 5 minutes to complete, sometimes even longer, so you need to wait. Once the kernel status is idle, we will move forward to the lab instructions and check the score. So if you try to check the score, instantly you may not get, but once the kernel is idle, you will definitely get the score. So you can see we got the score and we are done with the lab, guys. If you follow the way I have done, you'll definitely get the score.